Hi everyone, Professor Milo here. Today I want to introduce to you an exciting new project launching soon, Nocchain. By the way, if you're passionate about discovering innovative early stage projects before everyone else, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now, okay? To fully appreciate Nocchain, it's essential to have an understanding of what zero-knowledge proofs are. Imagine proving you are over 18 without revealing your exact age, or demonstrating you have sufficient income to rent an apartment without sharing your actual earnings. That's the power of zero-knowledge, proving something without disclosing the underlying information. Several existing projects, especially Ethereum's second layer rollups, already uses technology. However, ZK proofs come with a significant challenge. They are computationally intensive. Ethereum's second layer solutions predominantly use two rollup techniques, optimistic rollups and ZK rollups. Currently, optimistic rollups dominate because they are cheaper and simpler to implement. Yet, Vitalik and many experts believe the future belongs to ZK rollups, given their enhanced security and completeness. Nocchain could catalyze ZK adoption, which hasn't yet taken off despite numerous promises. The reason is that Nocchain aims to be a layer 1 blockchain specifically focused on ZK proofs, using an innovative consensus protocol called ZK Proof of Work, where mining consists of performing the heavy computational ZK proofs work instead of merely solving random hashes, as seen in Bitcoin, for example. This method ensures mining on Nocchain represents proof of useful work, meaning computational power contributes to generally valuable tasks, generating zero-knowledge proofs, while simultaneously securing the network. Perhaps with the right incentive, as Nocchain proposed, there will be a better supply-demand relationship between computational necessity and financial interest in providing computing power, a challenge current ZK-based protocols haven't successfully addressed. And that is not all. Another notable innovation is Nocchain's smart execution environment, powered by a programming language called Nock. Similar to how Ethereum uses EVM or other chains use WASM, Nock serves as the blockchain's virtual machine. So what is Nock? Nock is an extremely low-level, purely functional language. Its strengths include determinism, functional purity, and an opaque structure, making it highly efficient for verification and reliability, ideal attributes for blockchains, particularly when paired with zero-knowledge proofs. Interestingly, Nock was originally created for Urbit, a decentralized internet project. If you are unfamiliar with Urbit, check out my detailed video on the channel. To give some perspective, operating systems like Linux or Windows have millions of lines of code, whereas Urbit's core operating system, written in Nock, contains roughly 1,000 lines of code, based on specifications so concise they could fit entirely on a t-shirt. However, since Nock is essentially machine language and complex to work with directly, the language home was created as a user-friendly, simple-to-use language that compiles down to Nock, similar to how C++ compiles down to Assembly. More recently, Jock was developed specifically for Nocchain, an even simpler, more intuitive language tailored for developers creating an application on the platform. The name Jock is inspired by the idea of JavaScript for Nock. Clearly, Nocchain is far from just another blockchain project. It stands out significantly through multiple innovative aspects. Another important facet is its culture, aligning closely with Bitcoin's ethos, proof of work mining, unlimited fixed supply, and a fair launch. No tokens are reserved for teams or privileged investors. All circulating coins will come purely from fair competitive mining, with no pre-mining. Nocchain launches officially next week on May 19, 2025, starting with a Genesis block tied explicitly to a recent Bitcoin block high, ensuring transparency and fairness from day one. Nocchain is fully open source and entirely community-driven, embodying genuine decentralization. The Nock token supply is capped at approximately 4 billion coins. The emission curve includes halves that become progressively longer, doubling the interval as the rewards halves until all tokens have been mined over several decades. The main challenge for Nocchain will be attracting developers to build compelling applications on its platform. Personally, I'm excited by both the philosophy and technical promise. So I'll be mining from day one. Opportunities like this are rare, but always remember to do your own research and participate responsibly. What do you think? Is blockchain worth exploring? Comment below if you'd like me to make a detailed video explaining how to mine blockchain. I'll also share tips and update information on my X account. See you soon.